In this video, we'll show you how we can use the rest roughing option. Rest stands for residual stock. So this is machining the areas that you couldn't get to with a large tool but can get to with a smaller one. So on this model, we'll go into the advanced machining. And the tool we're going to be using for this will be a 10mm end mill. Under surface paths, we go to roughing, select our machining surfaces, and we're going to do this in a single slice. If we use a single slice, then we need to set the heights not from the model but from the actual dimensions that we put in. So we'll have user defined, and the end of this we know is 12mm, but if we don't know it, we can choose it from the model using this button here, and we can lock on to geometry and find the base. Okay, so that's set up the model and the heights. Now we go into the rest roughing tab here. So this is where we set up the larger of the tools. So this would be from a previous machining operation. If the tool had a corner radius, we can enter it here. If we want to leave further allowances on for finishing, then we can do that as well. So having set up the rest roughing parameters, the only thing I need to do now is just move and change the step over. Okay, so that now machines all the areas that it couldn't get to with a 20mm tool but can get to with a 10mm tool.